So, vaklita rin pala si Joey Bells.
Actually, deep inside, he feels he's a girl.
Oh, pero how grabe naman the father. Imagine, pinatalsik niya sa kanyang pamilya dahil lang sa kanyang sexual preference. How harsh naman. Alam mo, susumko siya kay Eto Rosales sa pagiging inhumane.
Grabe ka naman.
I know, right? Hindi kasi niya matanggap na meron siyang ganung klaseng anak eh.
Ay nako, this is another LGBT story. Ewan ko nga ba, alam mo, I can get it. Why people can't accept the LGBT community? Eh, di ba we have equal rights naman with them? Right? Oh, so, sabi nga nila, we are just asking, asking, not for a special treatment or a special right, but just an equal right. Eh, mababait naman tayo, hindi ba? Hindi lang yon, magaganda pa tayo.
Correct. Kawawan mo si Joey, no? Depressed-depressan siya ngayon. Alam mo bakit ganun? Ba't kailangan lahat ng mga third sex ay magdaan dyan sa depressed-depressan phase ng buhay nila? Wala na bang iba?
Ay, nako, sabi nga nila, gay peeps are usually happy and carefree. Pero sa kabila noon, lahat ng istorya ng gays ay may sad story.
O so, Mare, ano ba talaga ang dapat natin gawin para matulungan niyang si Joey?
I really don't know. Or maybe we can just be his support group. You know, like a family standing behind him. Eh, sino ba naman ang magtutulungan kundi tayo-tayo lang?
Correct.
Correct.
Tama.
La Federation!
Correct! Mabuhay! Ay! Wait! I have a book. This is written by Lady Edelweiss. It might help Joey. Here's for Joey.